Hey, welcome to Campaign Codex. Thought I'd just do a quick rundown of setting up a little town with some linked sheets. And yeah, so let's jump on in. You can go ahead and create like a location sheet, say for a town. I've kind of set up Fandolin here. It's pretty much blank. I've just put some information into the information tab. And I've added a map marker. Normally that's blank, but we'll call this one 01, and I want to put that on the map. So I can drag and drop down here, and we've got that little map marker, which I can click on to open this. And we will chuck in an image as well. So right click on the image, click change image, and then we'll click on image to use for Fandolin. And I've also got a scene that I like to use for Fandolin as well. So I can link that over there. And from that, I can like view the scene, activate it, configure, all those sorts of good things. So from within Fandolin, can't have a village without some locations or stores. So we'll just put in Barthen's provisions, we'll link that in, and just say the Town Master's Hall for now. And you will see here we've got entries. We've got Barthen's provisions here. And this one here is also pretty empty. You can see that it's in the location Fandolin. I've got no scene linked to it. But no NPCs, and inventory is all pretty empty. I have enabled a couple of widgets on this one, which is the merchant counter and reputation tracker. They're going to be available in the next version. I'm currently running beta at the moment, but they'll be about 3 or 4 days away. So this one here, I've dropped a couple of roll tables on to the merchant counter, and you can like click on the little multiplier to get it roll multiple times. And these roll tables are just roll tables of items, which you can create from the items. If you've got a folder full of items, you can right click on it and click create roll table. So that makes restocking your inventory quite easy. You can just click that button and you'll get restocked, or you can get in here and then like drag and drop your items individually if you prefer. We're also going to need someone to run the store. So we've got some NPC options here, and it will be Alma, obviously. So we will go ahead and drag and drop Alma onto here, and you'll see now that he's linked to the location Fandolin via the store that he is in. And that's a cool little shop we've got in our town Fandolin. If we jump over to our Town Master's Hall, for example, this has got a little bit more kind of things added to it. But our NPC wise, we've got Harbin, and we've also got Sildar. And Sildar, you will notice, is a little bit different. He's got this little tag up here, which is a linked actor sheet, which we can do easily by taking an actor, dragging and dropping it there, and that will pull in the image from the actor sheet, and you can click on that to get through. And linked actors let you drop tokens to the scene, and so you could do that via their sheet directly, or the sheet that they're linked on. You can drop them off to a scene. And so you can see that he's in Fandolin via the entry to Town Master's Hall, and I've already made him an associate of Harbin, which we can do by dragging and dropping NPC sheets to each other, and then they kind of grow up this little network. And you will also notice that he's got a tag, and I've also set a tag up here for the Town Master's Hall. And those are linked tag sheets. So you can see here we've got the Lord's Alliance here as a tag sheet. So we got the information about the tag sheet, and you know they can still have a bunch of stuff, notes and widgets, journals and the like. But you also see all these people who are tagged here, and you can click on those to read those sheets directly from the tag sheet as well. But that is that for the Townmaster's Hall. Townmaster's Hall is bound to have some quests, so we've got our quest board here. I've added a couple of things into it already, but you can just add it by pressing this plus button, and you can edit the title, edit the text within it. You can add objectives, remove them. You can also reorder them. You can drag and drop items on to create rewards for the quests, and these quests you can make visible or pinned, and you can click on the things to complete objectives or complete the quests, and they become visible on the Campaign Codex table of contents. We've got here our quests. You can see the objectives and what the rewards are, and from the table of contents as well, we can also look at, say, the tags. We can do a little filtering of them there, and we can also look through our group sheets and regions and locations and entries, which were all organized by the folder structure that you have got going on here in the sidebar. But that's Phandalin set up, so we can throw it into the wider world. I have got the Tribal Trail set up, and Phandalin is a location within that, so I can go ahead and drag and drop that in there. And then for the wider Sword Coast, I've got a group sheet set up, and I've already dragged Tribal Trail here, but that is just as easy as taking our region sheet here, Tribal Trail, and dragging it over, and that will link it in, and then we can kind of go through all the children of the Tribal Trail, and we get to say Phandalin, for example, and we can see Barton's Provisions and the Townmaster's Hall, and then we can get some information via the main group sheet of our regions within it and our locations, and then kind of all the entries in our group and NPCs, and we go ahead and filter those out via that, and then we've got a bunch of quests and any journals that we've got directly linked to here. And if we've got a widget, for example, that's a good place to go and put it. We could put like world map in. We can go ahead and say select a map, and so we've got our map here, and we can add pins and stuff to this map in here, which is kind of handy. But that is kind of the quick and easy how to set something up. I mean, it's really up to you how you want to link all these things. You could link most of the stuff up just building nested region sheets if you wanted. I quite like the hierarchy of like region, location, entry. That's just me. There are as many different ways of creating your hierarchy as there are DMs. So jump on Discord and Patreon stuff. Give me your feedback. If you've got videos or stuff you want to share, or we've got a channel in the Discord server for that. It's always great seeing your creations. Thanks.